Let me show you how these buttons are made. So first of all, you need these two things you're seeing here. There's a silver part and a white part. Then you need the fabric, you need your scissors, you need this called dice, and you need, of course, the machine that you're going to use to do it. This is called an eyelet machine. So now pay close attention. First of all you need to do is cut out a little part of the fabric depending on the size of your button. Then you take your dice. There's this thing that is usually inside the dice, so you need to put it inside. Then you get a fabric and locate the wrong side and the right side. You must make sure that the right side is what is showing in front as the cover button. So I just put it inside that silver part that I showed you earlier and trimmed off excess from it to cover it up with the button holder at the end. Can you see how it's looking like even before making the button? Then you put it back inside the dice. You're now going to take the back of the cover, which is this white part, and put it inside the dice because you want it to be together. Then you cover it up back with the second part of the dice because the dice has two parts. Where you put the button and what you use to cover it so that you can have. Then you turn it upside down. This part that has hole is what you should slot into your eyelet machine so that you can give it a press, a very firm press, so that it can stay put together. You can see how I'm putting energy. So this is what forms the button. So now let's see how it looks like. We'll remove it and then voila, the button is ready. You can see that is the right part that is showing. So I went ahead to make 2 other buttons, and I kept it on this beautiful red dress that I made for myself. Just look at how stunning it looks.